Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming in. To this video, I'll be showing you how to bake chocolate cake with just one egg. I'm going to be dropping the measurement in the description below, and let's get started. These are the things I'm going to be using for the chocolate cake. It is very simple, and guess what? We are using very little oil. We are not going to be using margarine, and the chocolate cake is always coming out yummy. So first we are going to mix all our dry ingredients together and set aside. Believe me, after this video you will want to try this, and everyone that have tasted this particular recipe always coming back for more. So you're going to mix all your dry ingredients together and then set aside and mix. I'm moving to the wet ingredients. First, I pour in my buttermilk. I'm going to use buttermilk for this, and also I'm adding a half cup of warm water. Adding your egg, just one egg, and then the oil. I'm using quarter, not up to quarter of oil, and you mix everything thoroughly together till everything is well combined. Trust me, this takes less than 30 minutes to complete. After that, you add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. It may want to look like it's getting stiff, but the moment the sugar starts melting, it's going to be watery, and then it will come out nice. Make sure you add your all your dry ingredients, and then let it mix properly till all the lumps are melted. Just like this. It takes me less than 3 minutes to get to this stage. As you can see, it's looking yummy already. Then you add your flavor. You add your flavor into it, and then you dish into your baking pan. From this 1 cup of flour that I need four of these foil plates. When you're doing this, you already prep your oven, and once you dish your pattern into the 4 plates, you transfer it to your oven and bake for 30 to 45 minutes. Depends on the kind of oven you are using. And this is the outcome. It's so yummy, it's so fluffy. Ah, can you see? You will always love to go back to this recipe. Trust me, try it and give me and drop the comment and drop me a feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear back from you. This is so yummy, believe me. You need to try this recipe out. Can you see? It is fluffy, it is super fluffy and yummy with less ingredients. Imagine. Thank you for watching. To my next video. Stay